Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to pick up my E30. I don't know if many of you know, but it's been off the road for about 4.5 months with issues with the fuel pump, with the ECU, with all sorts of wiring going through it, having snapped and broken and shorting internally. So I haven't actually had the car for ages, which is why I haven't made any videos, but today we're going to pick it up and hopefully maybe we can do a couple of little mods this Salvo as well, because I've been hanging out to work on this thing and drive it. So come along, you'll get to see me pick it up and go for the first drive in, yeah, almost 5 months. Here you come guys, let's see where this thing's at. Oh, I think I can see it there. Oh my gosh. Let's turn around. Holy crap, there it is. There you go guys, finally seeing it again. Man, this wrap still looks so good, holy crap. Woohoo. Oh man, I'm excited. Here we go, first start in ages. Oh, let me move my seat forward. Oh man, I'm so happy, man. I've been missing this car so much. We made it guys. I picked up my car finally. It's here, you can see it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I can't believe it. I wrapped it and then I think a week, maybe 2 weeks afterwards, that's when it broke down. So I haven't driven it, really looked at it with the wrap, apart from taking a couple photos. Man, oh, it looks so good. So I thought I'd bring it to this little spot. It's pretty quiet, bit of a construction site, so kind of a mess, but you know, thought I could give you an update on how the wrap's going. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Man, it looks so good. Everything seems to be holding up all right. There's a couple little spots I noticed straight away when I picked it up, like here on the bonnet where it's kind of bubbled a little bit. Hopefully I can maybe stick that back down, but it doesn't look like it's wanting to. Rest of it looks pretty decent though. All the intricate parts are fine, the parts that I was actually worried about. Got kind of some weird stuff going on the roof. Don't know if you can see it, but the actual pattern of the wrap and the way that the air goes out of it has kind of been left up here. It's kind of on a few parts and also along the gutter, it's kind of peeled up. That was a part we had to stretch heaps, so could probably re-wrap that or maybe even stick it down, but look, honestly for now, I'm still super happy with it. Oh, and one part I was really worried about as well was long here, because it's all textured. And I did have an issue with it initially, but with a heat gun, I pretty much melted it on here. Like, it is stuck for good now. I heated it right up. And now, no issues at all. It's fully stuck down, which is great. Oh, it looks so good. I know I keep saying it, but alright, I've only been home probably about an hour, but I already can't wait to work on this thing. Let me show you what we got. Actually got some clear indicators. Got completely clear indicators for the front, and these are ones for the side. So here is the before shot of them. They're just the standard ambers on the side and on the front. So pop this here so I can compare to after, but I think this is gonna look pretty good. this is how it looks all attached. The fronts I'm super happy with. I think they look great, especially compared to the other side, but I'll go around there in a sec. They fit really nicely, they look really good. It's kind of like a nice little freshener. The side ones I still like the look of, but they don't quite fit in as well as I would want them to, you know? Like I can still kind of move the seal around. It's just not flush, because this side it's just held in with a clip. This side is the actual screw, so see if I can fix it up, you know, later on. But only issue I have at the moment is these are clear bulbs in here, not amber, so I'm gonna have to go up to Super Cheap, grab some new bulbs for it, but I'll go and do that now and do the other side. Hey guys, I'm back the next day to show you how the indicators turned out. I think they went really well. I've got them all set up now on both sides, and yeah, I reckon it's really nice. This is what they look like now. I got the back to sit a little bit closer. It's still got a little bit of movement, but it's a lot better than it was. And look, I don't think any water's really getting back there, so I'm all right with it. I think they look pretty good. They've got the amber bulb in there, but from afar you really can't see it. I might switch it out with some LEDs at some point or something else, but for now it doesn't bug me too bad. I reckon the best angle to get it from is front side on there. That's really cool. I love it. The front side I haven't changed yet because it's very obvious when you put an amber bulb in there that it's amber, so I'll definitely get some LEDs for this one, or maybe even some chrome bulbs. We'll see what I can find, but for now I don't think I'll get pulled over, so I'm okay with it. Also, how good does this look in the sun? Man, I love that. I love that when it catches, it's like this real red, orangey colour, and in the shadows, it's so much of a plum. It's sweet, and I think the metallic really makes this. Oh, by the way, I had a bunch of people asking what wrap it actually is. It's an Avery Dennison Passion Red. It's really nice. It's one of their super metallics, so I think it's a bit more expensive and kind of hard to get in Australia, but man, yeah, totally worth it. I love it. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everyone that's left a comment and, you know, some nice words. I appreciate it. If you got any more questions about it, let me know, and I'll keep you updated with what I do with it and how the wrap fares. Cheers.